Ziyizinkulungwane ezingamakhulu amabili namashumi ayisishiyagalombili izisebenzi zezempilo esezigonyiwe kuleli okwamanje. Inyunyana yezisebenzi inehawu ikhala ngokuthi lushaya ngolonwabu lolu hlelo lokugonywa kwabantu.
We were of the view that at this time more than 1 million employees of the state would have been vaccinated and then would have gone to other categories. We're very much not happy because the third wave seems to be faster in getting with us.
Inehawu ithi iyaqonda ukuthi kube nokubambezeleka obengalindelekile.
We're not happy. We think the process is very slow, and we also think that the bureaucratic process of curing the vaccination in different countries is being slowed down.
Umnyango wezempilo eNorthwest uthi into edala ukuthi kube nokubambezeleka ukwentuleka kwezinsiza kusebenza.
Northwest, up to date, we've received 18,400 doses. That's what we have received. For the unions to complain about the pace, here's reality. In 18,400, we have vaccinated up to today 17,200. It's what? 93%. Therefore, the issue of a problem should not be at the pace of vaccination.
Umnyango uthi isisetshenziswe cishe yonke imigomo ye-COVID-19 efike kulesi sifundazwe.
The reason South Africans would have a problem with the pace of vaccination has to do with the distribution and availability of vaccines in each moment.
Kusenjalo umnyango wezempilo kuzwelonke uthi iNingizimu Afrika isikwazile ukuthola eminye futhi imigomo ezigidi ezingama-51 kuyo kubalwa eyePfizer ezigidi ezingama-30 kanye neye Johnson & Johnson izofika ngasekupheleni kwalenyanga.